प्रारंभे विनती करो गणपति विद्यादया सागरा अज्ञानत्वहरोणे बुद्धिमतिदे आराध्य मोरेश्वरा चिंता क्लेश दरिद्र दुःख वगे देशांतरा पाठवे हेरंबा गणनायका गजमुखा भक्ता बहुतोषवे देवा तुझिया चरणी नमितो अंतःकरणे तुझा आटपितो कृपा सागरा तुझा विनमितो सांभाळी बाळा या कुंदेंदू तुषारहार धवळा या शुद्ध वस्त्रान्विता या वेणावर दंडमंडित करा या श्वेत पद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शंकर प्रभृतीभिर देवैस
ओमकार हाँ
सामां पातु सरस्वती भगवती
okay okay thanks a lot Omkar, that was wonderful. And so this is what Shiputai used to sing when she was rather say 2, 3, 4 years old, and now we have all the respectable family members here. Say hi. Okay. Who would like to talk about everyone, like Shilpa, Neil, everyone here. So welcome to the show. Okay.
Okay. Except to circle and
I would like to start with myself, since I was the one who saw Shilpa for the first time amongst whole of our family. I could even today I could recollect how Shilpa looked. She just looked like a fresh pulp of a dough, well kneaded.
Okay.
Fresh from a bath in arms of a nurse.
Okay.
I have seen her before even Shailavani could have a glimpse at her.
Okay, that's wonderful.
That one credit I can take for myself as far as Shilpa is concerned.
सुनीलचं एक्सप्रेशन अरे वा खडी पडते की काय असं काहीतरी म्हणाला की नाही अरे वा काय होतं सुनील डिंपल
And then onwards, I think Shilpa has been all around us, and Shilpa all the way through. Since I have spent a lot of time with her, and both Shilpa and Renu have spent their childhood lot with me. And me, in the sense, me, Ajay, and Bhai, and Aju, our favorite grandfather. All together. So her all childhood days, her pranks and tramps, everything is just passing through in front of my eyes like a small video.
Okay. Aji.
What Aji would like to...
Shiputai.
I can't.
Kaku.
मी पत्र लिहीन तिला
Huh?
मी तिला एखादं पत्र लिहीन
Okay, बर. Aji wants to write a letter to Shiputai. Okay, fine.
काय बोलावं का शिल्पा माझ्या हातात आली ती छान अशी सजीव बाहुली
मराठीत का बोलतात ते मराठी कळणार
कट करायचे
एडिट करते
Correct.
when I received Shilpa first time in my tried काय म्हणायचं Vinay arms, I was so happy, can't express in words.
Okay.
She was just like one doll for me. Lively doll. One of my dreams in my life to have baby like her.
And not only that, Shilpa was a favorite amongst all of our relatives, and in her elder days, younger days, and even now she is recognized by name Goody only in Pune and Bombay. Many of my aunts and all still refer to Shilpa as Goody. So whenever they say talk about Goody, it is about Shilpa.
Oh.
And when we told her Shilpa's marriage was fixed and all, then sudden expression was, "Oh, Goody se lagna hona raha hai."
Nice. Okay.
आईचं अजून घे काकूंचं.
More words.
Please करू ना send.
हां, हे शिल्पा मावशी.
This is Shilpa's favorite Maushi, Nandini Maushi. So,
तुम्ही पण सांगा.
well,
She is also with us today.
she is also with us today. Yeah, exactly. And
Shilpa, we wanted to see you, but you are so far. Wish you all the best. Have a good, nice, healthy child.
Mm.
Wish you all the best.
okay, that's very sweet and short.
शिपो हाँ, शिल्पा को तो मैं शिल्पा बहुत छोटी थी तब से मैं उसे जानती हूँ और मेरी फेवरेट भी थी तब से, छोटी थी तब से. और मैं जब शादी करके नहीं आई थी बेंगलोर में तब से मुझे बहुत सताती थी मराठी सीखने के लिए और कुछ बहुत अप्रैल फूल तो मैं बनती थी हर साल. ऐसे ही शिल्पा रेणु बहुत डांटते थे, बहुत जब ये करते नहाते वक्त वगैरह बाथरूम में दोनों छट आवाज ऐसे सुनता था. मुझे क्या कर रही है दोनों करके मैं घबरा के बाथरूम में गई तो दोनों बहुत जोर से हंस के दरवाजा खोलते बाहर आते थे. और मैं कभी बाहर रूम से बाहर आती थी तब आइस क्यूब वगैरह दरवाजे के पास रख के मुझे घबराते थे.
अच्छा. So you mean to say?
छोटी क्यूट शिल्पा को अब माँ बनने वाले है शिल्पा. बहुत खुशी हो रही है उस जैसे क्यूट प्लम और हेल्दी बच्चा होने हो. नील और शिल्पा जैसे समझदार भी.
अच्छा.
ऑल द बेस्ट शिल्पा, एंजॉय मदरहुड.
Oh, nice. Nice. Okay.
Now what about
Omkar.
Don't be so serious.
No, I'm not serious.
तू मामा होणार आहे, शिकत नाही कर सनी. ओंकार, व्हाट यू फील अबाउट दैट?
I'm happy that I'm ready.
Okay, that is how Shiputai used to like when Omkar speaks like that. Okay, with the bunny teeth. No, Omkar.
Okay, I'm serious. I'm serious now.
So you are serious now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I feel very happy becoming mama of my niece. My nephew.
Okay, whatever. Niece or nephew?
Niece or nephew.
Huh.
And I would like to see him or her very as soon as possible. And I still remember Shiputai saying you will become a mama, you will come to US and then teach them
Good manners.
habits.
Good manners.
Good
Really
manners.
good manners?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Good
Okay.
manners,
Huh.
habits,
Huh.
etc. And then in my childhood, I still remember Shiputai used to do like this. Pow pow. That Dada used to see, and then even he used to do that. And even Amma, everyone in the family used to do that.
Eh? Omkar? Okay. This isn't true. Okay.
Yeah, it is.
Omkar?
And,
Oh God, okay.
Really get serious.
it's okay.
Omkar,
I
okay.
need to finish my words.
Okay.
Thank you. Cut the video.
We are not cutting anything, we are just trolling. So be aware what you are saying, Omkar.
Okay. Turn the camera towards you.
Yeah.
Okay. Acha. Okay, I can say I'm the bigger mama of the.
You.
Huh?
You.
Yeah. Of the new arrival in the family.
Mm.
So, welcome first of all, and we are really waiting for you to come. As I don't know, like the name Sunny was actually given to me by Suputai and Renutai as well, I can say, but all like I don't know, I find most of similarities between me and Suputai, they are very much common in between us such. So okay, it's a great feeling to be called a mama by someone very much special to us, and what can I say? Okay, when Shilpa and Neil started dating, I don't know when they started dating actually, but I got the first hint when Shiputai told me that in general we were just strolling out in Bangalore, and Shilpa all of a sudden she's like, oh, Fiero, that's my favorite bike. I'm like, okay, is Fiero your favorite bike, or is the person who rides it or who owns it is your favorite person as such? I'm like, okay, fine, whatever. And then when Shilpa finally concluded that she wants to marry Neil as such, so I can say I was the most happiest person ever, because I don't know, maybe I was too young, but this might sound funny, but I was one of the persons who was okay. अरे काय बोलते मी बोलतोय इकडे. So I was very much worried about what kind of a guy or would Shilpa marry, or which kind of a home she would go, because I used to watch TV serials with Ajji that time and all the serials were so bad, I was really tense. But when it was like, okay, she's marrying Neil, then I was like, okay, fine. She'll be taken care of well, very much. I was like totally excited. And then when I got the news that Shiputai has a baby in her tummy, what can we say, a small orange, when she told us about it, I literally got tears in my eyes, I can say. Like, tears of happiness, obviously. And what more can I say? Just waiting for...
Suddenly it became a muskmelon.
Both Sunny and Omkar felt, yes, they are grown ups now because they will be mama of some kid, or else they all thought they were the kids of the family. So
Especially Omkar, youngest in the family.
Okay, Shilpa, when you came to Dharwad with the special news, I could see the surprise in your eyes when I could make out it was Neil whom you were proposing to. And it was obvious because of, I could see the attachment within both of you. And then the marriage went on well as expected. And it went on so well that both of the families cooperated so well in that occasion. We should have had all the people we wanted to have, but it wasn't possible. But yet the occasion was so good, so nice. Then when both of you left for States, settled there, you are doing so well. Everybody talks a lot about efficiency of both of you, the ability to manage the situations or overcome the situations. Hopefully you definitely will manage your kid also, and I hope the kid also grows up so affectionate and so well mannered and so well behaved and so responsible and so attached to the family as both of you. And hope the kid just looks